Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Marty the party cat from Gabby's Dollhouse. So let's get started. To draw this cute cat, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across about, say, this wide and draw another circle. There. So now my two circles, then I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. And so now the eyes, and I'm going to go above each eye, just draw a soft curve right over it. And then we're going to come in between the eyes and draw the nose. So right about here, we're just going to draw a soft curve right in the center. Round off the corners and bring it down to the center for our nose. Then from there, we're going to go straight down with a line. And then we're going to curve out on both sides. There, and I'll just cap it off, and then we're going to open the mouth. So right about here, we're just going to draw a curve to the other side, and then in this area right here, draw another curve for a tongue. Now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw the face. So we're going to come to the center of the eye, and I'm going to come out about right here, give myself a point. Same thing on the other side. About right here, and I'm just going to draw the bottom of a U. So we're going to go down and go around, and I want to come back to the center right about here, and I'll just give myself a point, so around about right there where I want the chin. And now I can go ahead and connect my curve so I know where I'm going. There, and we're going to bring this curve down as well, just like the other side, and connect there. So if you're drawing big, it definitely helps to give yourself points so you can see where you're going. Okay, so now that I have that, I am going to just bring this up a tiny bit more. And then we need to draw the hair. So it's a party cat, right? So we have some very wild hair that we need to draw. So let's see here. Let's start right here first. I'm just going to draw a big curve that comes down so that we can take care of the sides first. Right there. And then in the center, we're just going to zigzag. Let's see. Let's just find the center here. Maybe it's easier this way. I'm just going to zigzag my way across all the way back. So there's no right way or wrong way to do this. So just have fun. Just a bunch of zigzags high and low. We just want to create the texture. Then from there, we're going to come to the top and center right in this area. We need to draw the party hat. So let's see here with this party hat. Well, actually, you know what? Let's do this first. Let's draw the ears first. So right about here, I'm just going to go ahead and give myself a curve. Right about here and here. So same thing on both sides. And where the ears would be, and then I'm just going to pop in the ears. Right about here. And then draw the inside. Then bring this out a little bit more. And same thing over here. For the ears. And then in the center is where we need to draw a party hat. So in between, I'm just going to go ahead, come up a tiny bit, it's just easier for my hands. Right here, I'm just going to draw a curve right in the center, and then I'm going to come out a bunch of zigzags for this party hat, just to give it some texture. There. And then we need to bring it to the center, so let's bring this up. Here and here. And then in the top right here, we need to once again just connect it with a poofy ball right there. And then in the center here, you can add, I'll just put in 2 circles to finish it off. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to go ahead and draw. Oh, actually, you know what? Before I do that, I need to draw the whiskers. So I'm going to come right here and pop in 2 curves, and I'm going to thicken it up. So I have to erase that line later. Forgot about that. And same thing over here. There, got the whiskers, and now I can draw the hair. So I'm going to come to the top of where my hat is, about right here, and I'm just going to zigzag all the way back. So let's start right about here. Because sometimes I'll go up, down, but we just want to create it and bring it back to about right here, create this curve. So just keep that in mind as you go. And we're just going to bring it all the way down and connect. There, very wild hair, right? So same thing on the other side. And we're bringing it back to here. So just keep that in mind. There. Okay, so finally done with the hair piece here. And there's lots of confetti in the hair, but I don't want to draw that with a Sharpie because I don't want it all, it's going to muddle it up. So I'll do that when I color. And then now we need to come back to the neck area, and about right here, we need to do the same thing again. And draw this poofy little collar right there in the center. So right here, and then the body. I'm going to bring it out. And at least this part is much smoother and easier, hopefully. And we're just going to round it off. There, and there's also a lot of confetti on there as well. Now for the legs, I'm going to come right about here and draw one that curves down. And as I come right here, we're going to draw the poofy stuff again. So I'm just going to make this one simpler and just maybe draw curves. And then we're going to pop this out for a shoe and connect it. Then I come right here for a sole and bring a curve in. So we're going to, on this side, we're going to have the leg go up a little bit. So we're just going to curve down. And it's going to be higher. And about right there, once again, we need to draw this. And then we're going to draw the shoe, curve down, and connect. And once again, the same thing. There. And then for the arms, this hand is going to be coming out this way. So let's say about right here. I'm going to curve it out to about right here. And thicken it up. And then once again, we got some poofy stuff here. And then the hands. So we're going to come down and curve 3 times and bring it in. And the reason, because we have a paw that we need to draw. So we're going to draw a oval here and then 3 ovals. There. And then this hand is going to go up. So about right here. Just gonna get it out of the way of the hair. And curve up. And once again, poofy, and then the hand. So this time it's gonna go out. 1, 2, 3, and then bring it back in. And then right here, oval, and 3 circles. There. Okay, so let's see if hopefully haven't missed anything except the confetti that's going to be over here and in the hair. And last but not least, I'm going to add a big heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Marty the Party Cat from Gabby's Dollhouse. I really hope you love how this turned out and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.